Hi everyone and welcome to Oh What's Cooking. Today I'm going to make a meatza. It's a meat crust pizza that is low carb and keto friendly. We're going to start by combining 1 pound of ground turkey with a half a cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. To that I'm going to add 1 egg white and save the egg yolk for a different recipe. Next I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of cream cheese, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and Italian seasoning to taste. I'm using a 1/4 teaspoon of each. Next, I'm going to mix all the ingredients together. Mixing it with a spatula did not work, so I'm going to use my hands to get the mixture well combined. Once everything is combined, I'm going to transfer it to a parchment paper lined cookie sheet. I'm using a cookie sheet that is 16 by 16. I'm going to get the mixture as thin as possible, about 1/4 of an inch. You can use a larger cookie sheet or you can use 2 smaller cookie sheets and make 2 round pizzas. Today I'm going to make a square pizza. Once I have the meat and cheese mixture spread out as thin as I can, I'm going to bake it at 400 degrees for 10 minutes. While the meat crust is cooking, I'm going to prepare the toppings. Today I'm using mushrooms, onions, tomatoes, and zucchini. Once the crust is out of the oven, drain any excess liquid. I'm sorry, I did not record this step. As you can see, the meat crust has shrunken quite a bit. It is now time to make our pizza. Spread your choice of sauce. I'm using my homemade marinara. Link to the recipe is in the description box. I made way too many toppings, but I'm going to try to fit them all in this little pizza. I'm starting by adding shredded mozzarella, tomatoes, mushrooms, zucchini, and onions. And I'm going to top it with a little bit of more shredded mozzarella. For this whole recipe, I used an 8-ounce bag of shredded mozzarella. Once all the toppings are on, I'm going to bake it at 400 degrees for 20 minutes, and the last 5 minutes, I'm going to cook it under a broiler, just to get the top nice and brown. And here is our meatza. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment.